Om Namah Shivaya. Good morning, children. Last class we had learned the addition of like fractions. Isn't it? We had learned to add the fractions and then we had done on the number line. Today we can learn the commutative property of addition. But we are going to learn commutative property of addition. Commutative property of addition. Let's see what is the commutative property. For the whole numbers, you people all know, suppose if we are given 6 plus 4, that you will get it 10, isn't it? But if we change its order, that means instead of writing 6 plus 4, if we are writing 4 plus 6, we will get the same answer 10, isn't it? The same way, for the fractions also, we can use this property. This is the proper commutative property we can use. Okay. Suppose if we are given 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6. What's the answer? 2 plus 1, 3 by 6. Now let's interchange these numbers. 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6. See, even though we are changing the position numbers, what happens? We are getting the same answer, 3 by 6. Okay, children? So, that means the two fractions can be added in any order. That you can add in any order. That is the commutative property. Okay. And one more property we can learn, zero property of 0. Property of 0. What happens when you add 0 with a whole number? Suppose it is 5 plus 0. What is it? You are getting the same number, isn't it? Same whole number you are getting. Same way with the fraction, if you are adding 0, you will get the same fraction itself. Okay. 1 by 2 plus 0. What you are getting? 1 by 2 itself. Okay, that is the property of 0. Whenever you add 0 to a fraction, the result, or you will get the same fraction. The fraction itself, you will get it as a result. Nammade uttaram endayirikkum, answer adayirikkum the same fraction, because there is no change in the value. Adinte value il oru vyathyasam varunilla. 0 add cheyum. That is the property of 0. Okay. So let's do some exercise for the commutative property. 4 by 5 plus 2 by 5, that is equal to 6 by 5. And how we can change 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5. We can add it in any order. Okay, then we are getting 6 by 5. That is in the commutative property. Which property it is? Commutative property. Now about the 0 property also we can do 2 more exercise. 5 by 9 plus 0. Is there any change? No. It is 5 by 9. You are getting the same fraction. You are getting the fraction itself. So that is the 0 property. The value is not at all changed whenever you are adding 0 to any number, whether it is a fraction or whether it is a whole number, whatever it may be, there is no change in the value. Okay. So that is the 0 property. Now let's go for the subtraction of the fractions. Subtraction of the like fractions. Subtraction of like fractions. Okay. For the whole number subtraction, you people, everybody know it, isn't it? You are familiar with it. It means 6 minus 5, we are getting 1, isn't it? Same way we can check how we will do the subtraction of the like fractions. Suppose if we have a cake and I'm parting it in the 4 sections. Now I want to take one part of the cake out. So how many part I have taken? 1 by 4. Now I want to check out how many parts are remaining. So what is the total part? 4 by 4. So 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4, that will be 3 by 4. Okay. Suppose if we are given the number fractions 6 by 8 minus 1 by 8, how we will do? Think only about the numerators, because these are the like fractions given and the denominator will be 8. Okay, 6 minus 1 by 8. What is the answer? 5 by 8. Okay. Then one more another example. 7 by 9 minus 1 by 9. How we will do? 7 minus 1 by 9. That is equal to 6 by 9. Okay, that is the subtraction of the like fraction. If we are given the fractions 3 by 6 minus 2 by 6 equal to dash minus one more box is empty by 6. So what we will write? Here this first box we have to write the 3, and what should be subtracted from 3? 2. 3 minus 2, that's equal to 1 by 6. Okay children, so what's the answer? 1 by 6. Now the next question. 5 by 10 minus 2 by 10. That means 2 should be subtracted from 2 by 10 should be subtracted from 5 by 10. So what will be here and what number is here? What numerator? And okay, what we will write? 5 minus 2. That means 2 should be subtracted from 5. So what will be the answer? 3 by 10. Okay. Now we had learned some examples. Now let's try whether we can do it in the simple way without doing any steps. It's very easy, right? 3 by 7 minus 1 by 7. No need to write. How we will write? 3 minus 1? 2. 2 by 7. Okay. Next one. 5 by 11 minus 4 by 11. What is the answer here? Just 5 minus 4, that is 1 by. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Then what will be the denominator? 11. What is the answer? 1 by 11. Suppose if we are given the box to fill it, we will write 1 by 11. Okay. One more example. 8 by 12 minus 4 by 12. Okay. Now what we are going to do it very simply. 8 minus 4, and no need to think about the denominators because this is given like fraction. So 8 minus 4, 4 by 12. We are doing it fast. Okay. Now the next example. 10 by 20 minus 5 by 20. Okay, no need to think about the denominators because like fraction is given, so the denominator will be 20 and 10 minus 5. How we are going to do it fast? 10 minus 5, 5 by 20. Okay, this is how we have to do the subtraction of the like fraction. Very simple method. Okay, very simple to solve. Okay children, thank you.